Gregg Shorthand Writing for Beginners. Lesson for today is oral reading. Dear Dr. Green, one thing you can do to let the people of Winfield learn about the valuable services of our goods your business makes available to them is to place your ads in the Winfield News, which reach about 50% more readers in this region than the Winfield Post. Paragraph. Any ad your place in our paper will reach about 800,000 thinking people who is respect we have won since our paper first appeared in 1930. Paragraph. The Winfield News will assist you in building your sales, period. No matter what you sell or what you produce, who will be able to reach the largest possible number, your prospects, when you place your ads in our paper, period. Let our capable research staff help you prepare a well-planned campaign that will produce sizable increase in your sales. Paragraph. Our rates are listed on the enclosed circular, Dr. Green, period. You will find them quite reasonable, period. Yours very truly. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye-bye!